Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to talk about this syrup sprinkler in regarding to game of Roblox Fall Harvest event update. Okay, this is one of the item from the gear shops and regarding to Fall Harvest world. And if you want to have it, you need 3K maple leaves. Okay, and basically guys, this is like the basic sprinkler from the Garden Valley, and I'm going to show you how we can use it. You can equip the sprinkler you have purchased. This is my syrup sprinkler, and then I'm going to go to my garden. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the ability of the sprinkler. It can boost plant growth speed by 1.5x and gives a size log bonus of 7, and it can last for 2 minutes. So if you want to apply it, make sure that you apply this sprinkler on the growing plant so it can grow bigger. And I'm gonna apply it to this cactus or this banana. I think I'm gonna go with my banana. Okay, just tap on the ground and you'll see the sprinkler is moving like this. And for the next sprinkler, I'm gonna place it here. All right. Okay guys, and that's all about the syrup sprinkler in regarding to game of Roblox Fall Harvest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.